In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Figma. Cropping images is a simple but really useful skill, especially if you're working on UI designs, social media graphics, or presentations. It helps you focus on the most important part of a photo and keep your layout clean and consistent. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through Figma's built-in image cropping tools and share some tips along the way. First, go ahead and log into your Figma account. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll see a list of your recent files and projects. Open the project or design file where the image you want to crop is located. You can either double-click the file or select it and open it from there. Wait a moment for the editor to load and then navigate to the frame or page where your image sits. Inside the editor, find the image you want to crop and click on it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline and resize handles around it. On the right side of the screen, Figma shows the Properties panel. This is where you manage styling, layout, and in this case, image settings. In that right-hand panel, look for the section labeled Fill. Since this is an image, you should see a thumbnail of the image inside the fill area. Click on that image, Fill Thumbnail. When you do, a small pop-up will appear right next to it with some image settings. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see a drop-down that's probably set to Fill by default. Click on this drop-down and change it from Fill to Crop. As soon as you switch to Crop, your image on the canvas will enter cropping mode. You'll notice two things. The image now has a cropping rectangle you can adjust, and a floating toolbar appears at the bottom of the screen. On this bottom toolbar, you'll see a slider labeled with Custom. You can drag the slider to zoom in or out and control how tight the crop should be. If you want a specific aspect ratio, click the field next to the slider where it says Custom. From here, you can quickly switch to preset crop types. Choose Square if you want a perfect 1:1 crop, which is useful for avatars or thumbnails. You can choose Landscape to get horizontal crops, and then pick sizes like 16.9, 4:3, or 3.2, which are great for presentations, banners, and cover images. Or choose Portrait for vertical crops, with options like 9:16, 3:4, or 2.3, often used for mobile screens and stories. Once you've selected the ratio, you can drag the crop box around to position it exactly over the part of the image you want to keep. Take a moment to align it with key elements, like faces or focal points in the photo. When you're happy with how it looks, simply click anywhere outside the image or press enter to apply the crop. And that's it. You've successfully cropped your image in Figma using the built-in crop mode and aspect ratio presets.